With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins. Through the weekend, there are mostly slight chances of precipitation with multiple disturbances tracking northeast off of approaching low pressure. The more widespread precipitation chances look to be with the pair of fronts. The first front impacting the region late Wednesday night through Thursday, another on Sunday. The main precipitation type should be rain, but a bit of light snow could impact northern areas, mostly to the north of Highway 92. While there are multiple chances of precipitation, total amounts are likely to be under half an inch over the next week. Highs this week likely to be mostly in the 50s. In behind the cold front, Sunday our coolest day in the next 7 with highs in the 40s. The latest long-term forecast predicting overall slightly cooler than normal temperatures this weekend through the first 2 days of next month in Nebraska, Kansas, and the western two-thirds of the U.S. Mostly above normal precipitation is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through April 2nd, especially this weekend through early next week. Key weather factors impacting the markets include active weather in the U.S. and rains diminishing in Brazil. On the plains, chilly conditions linger, especially across snow-covered sections of Montana and the Dakotas. Over the weekend, temperatures below 10 were reported as far south as western Oklahoma and nearby areas, including a record low of 10 in Garden City, Kansas yesterday morning, possibly causing frost damage on more advanced wheat. Additional frost and freezes are expected to occur tomorrow morning in the southern Atlantic states, extending as far south as Georgia. A disturbance currently crossing the western U.S. reaches the upper Great Lakes by the middle part of the week. Tomorrow, accumulating snow may briefly affect the north-central U.S., while rain develops across the mid-south and lower Midwest. The second half of this week, heavy rain may develop across the mid-south and lower Midwest, with storm total rainfall expected to reach about 2 to 5 inches. For the Delta, the additional precipitation keeps the area rivers high and field work slow. In western areas of the southern plains, the best chance at scattered precipitation comes up Thursday through Friday. There may be another precipitation chance for the central and southern plains this weekend, but chances remain low for meaningful precipitation in Kansas and Colorado's winter wheat areas. Over the interior of Brazil, scattered rain continues this week. Rain becomes spottier across south and east Brazil, a help to the remaining second crop corn planting. Rain decreases later this week over central Brazil as the wet season shows signs of slowing down early. Not a good indicator for second crop corn if that continues over the next couple of weeks. Southern Argentina over the weekend saw some heavy rains. Some heavier rain continues in central and northern Argentina this week, but it's likely too late for much of the damaged corn and soybeans. Stabilization of Argentina's corn and soybeans, though, is likely if the rain is as heavy as forecast. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.